Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur, and this tutorial is a part of the Mastering Shopify series. In this video, I am going to cover Shopify collections. Organizing your products into collections help make it easier for your customers to find what they need when they are shopping. Think of collections like categories. They group like products together, such as summer picks or bestsellers or t-shirts. So to create your collections, you will need to go to the products and collections. If you have collections already here, which most times you will have a collection named homepage. This is automatically created by Shopify and it brings products to that homepage of your online shop. You can add as many collections as you want. You can name them so that they're identifiable to the public. So create a new collection. We're going to click Create Collection. And in here, we're going to have a standard editor for Shopify. We have a title, a description, collection type. It can be manual, where you can go through and add products one by one, or automated, where you can set up a list of conditions or a condition to automatically move the products that you add to your store into a specific collection. For this one, we're going to do a manual. So I'm going to name this collection. You can add a description if you like. It will show up on the collections page right underneath the title, and the collection image if you would like to add one. If you don't add a collection image, it will use a product photo that you add to this collection. You also want to set up the availability for this collection. Where are you going to sell it at? Now we have the online store, point of sale, and Instagram, which are our sales channels that we have available to our left-hand side. So from here, I'm going to save. This creates my new collection of summer. I can view it on the store to see how it's going to look. Right now, it will have no products. So this is how it will look in the debut theme. Then I'll come here and I'm going to search products. And I know I have 2 products in the store, but as soon as I start typing, it's going to populate a list of products. I can choose the products that I want here added to this collection, and I can click Add. That shows me the products that are within this summer collection. So now when I view this on my store, there's my product. For automated collections, you will see when you create, we will still give it a name. I'm going to leave description blank for right now. We have an automated. So with the automated collections, I have to set conditions. Now you can add one or more of these conditions. You can have products added to this collection if they match all the collections or any of the collection conditions in here. So for me, I can do a product tag that is equal to t-shirt. I can also add another one that in the title, it contains t-shirt. This will help my products to know where to go once I add them in. So any product that has the tag t-shirt or has t-shirt in the title, I can also do a compare price. If it doesn't have one, then I can set that condition. And as long as the product matches one of these 3 conditions, it will be added to this collection. If I wanted to match perfectly to every condition that I have listed, then I will have to click all conditions. Then I'll click save. From there, I'll be able to view it on the store. My collection has been created. And because this product has t-shirt in the tags, it is connected to our new collection. And if we scroll down, we can see that it's here. So that is how you create collections in your store. If you're looking for more videos on Shopify, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the Shopify tutorial playlist.